low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice...
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayun yung kasama ko. Nagche-check ng kanyang phone. My back passenger for today. She's checking her phone. Matte black Honda ADV 160. How are you feeling this morning?
Good.
Good?
Yeah.
That's nice to know. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
You wanna eat breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. Sa sobrang lakas ng vibration itong scooter na to, ayan oh. Nag-crack yung side mirror. Kita nyo ba? Ayan o, may crack. Ayan o, there's a crack. As you can see. I assume it's because of the strong vibration coming from the engine. Ang lakas kasi ng vibration lalo na pagka yung early morning cold engine start. Yun, makikita mo itong side mirror na to talagang bababababababababab. Ang lakas ng vibration. Oh, with sound effect pa. Oh, masyadong malakas yung vibration Kaya I assume talaga yung crack na yan ay dahil sa strong vibration from the engine of this scooter. May kambing pa. May sa baby goat. The more I ride this scooter, the more I enjoy it. But also at the same time, I get bored. Hindi ka kasi nagpapalit ng gear o gears. Laging piga lang ng piga. Piga ka lang ng piga ng throttle, pero walang cambio. Hindi ka nagpapalit ng gear. Kaya yun, okay siya i-ride, nakakalibang, nakakaaliw, masaya. Kaso at the same time, nakaka-bored din. Kasi piga ka lang ng piga ng throttle. Hindi ka nagkakambyo. Para sa akin mas okay pa rin talaga yung nagkakambyo ka. Kahit sa four-wheeled vehicle nakaka-bored mag-drive ng automatic. Mas may thrill, mas exciting mag-drive ng decambio. Do you guys agree? Agree ba kayo? Pero yeah, like I said, the more I ride this scooter, the more I enjoy it. It's fun. Masaya. Okay din siya i-ride. Tsaka ano siya, matulin. Hindi ka mabibitin sa scooter na to. Okay siya, okay. Tapos ang gaang pa. Ang daling itumba-tumba. Ang dali niyang itumba-tumba sa mga kurbada. Kaya canyon riding, mag-e-enjoy ka talaga sa scooter na to. Pakikuha nga yung helmet. Sige, pakikuha yung helmet. Ayan. Yan, no? Ang lakas ng vibration, no? Nakikita nyo ba? Mainit na yung makina niyan, ha? Kaya hindi pa ganun kalakas yan. Kapag yung early morning cold engine start, yun, super lakas ng vibration. Hindi makita sa camera, hindi makita sa video na malakas yung vibration. Pero yeah, ayan, nakikita ko, nanginginig yung side mirrors niya. Mami Rhea. There's a river, ano, in front of you.
Yeah.
Beautiful river, huh?
I know.
Uh-huh. Beautiful river. And it's big. It's a big and wide river. Nice, ano? Beautiful. Beautiful nature. Mami Rhea, oh. It's nice to swim in that river, ano, Mami Rhea?
Yeah.
It looks so refreshing. I wanna swim right now.
Oh.
Just kidding. Matte black Honda ADV 160. And there is Mami Rhea. And behind Mami Rhea is a tunnel. It's a dark tunnel, Mami Rhea.
Yeah.
You wanna go inside that tunnel? Huh? Let's go, let's do it.
Uh-huh.
Adventure.
Okay.
You're not scared?
I'm scared.
You're scared?
Yeah.
Don't be. You're with me. So cheesy. Mami, oh. There's a Roman numeral. Or should I say Roman numerals. It says 1913. Uh-huh. The tunnel was built in 1913 by the Americans. 1913. Uh-huh. Built by the Americans in 1913. Tunnel, ano, Mami Rhea?
Yeah.
A tunnel in the middle of the mountains. Uh-huh. Ano, let's go inside? Now?
You
I'm going, huh? Me first?
Yeah.
Or you go behind me, huh?
Yeah.
I'm going to take a picture of you first.
Okay.
Okay? Wait. Majestic place, Mami Rhea. I'm going to take a picture na. What? You were saying something?
It's so hot.
It's so hot. You want to take it off?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
Ano, I'm going to take another pictures.
Yeah.
Okay, go behind the scooter. Okay. More pictures of Mami Rhea in front of the majestic, mysterious tunnel built by the Americans in 1913. You're doing fine, Mami Rhea?
Yeah.
Are you hungry? You are? We're going to eat, huh? After this. We're going to eat.
Yay.
Wait for me. You're inside already, Mami Rhea. You're not scared. You don't look like scared. Mami Rhea. Did you bring the small compact flashlight?
Yeah.
Get it?
Okay.
We have to bring it. It's dark in there.
Okay.
And I saw some bats earlier,
Oh yeah?
a while ago. I saw some bats. We have company. I hear a motorcycle. It's alright. Go, Mami Rhea. Walk, walk, walk. Ooh! There's a bat in front of you. Ooh! Two bats! Two bats!
Scared me.
Cave bats!
Oh yeah. Hey. Can hear that.
You hear what? The bats?
Yeah.
Choo, 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 choo.
You first. It's so muddy. So muddy.
Yeah. You wanna go all the way to the end? No? Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea. It's so dark in there. Or maybe a monster. A snake, you said? Maybe a cave monster. There's Mami Rhea. She's out already. Okay, we're now on the beach. And I see a lot of coconut trees. Including this one in front of me. A coconut tree. We're on the beach. And there's the scooter. And there is Mami Rhea. Hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. We're on the beach na, no? Okay. And the scooter. Matte black Honda ADV 160. Oh yeah. Ready to walk, Mami Rhea?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, we're now walking on the beach. There's a restaurant here. Cottages. And there's a fisherman boat or fisherman's boat right there. Okay. Nice. Nice ano, Mami Rhea? We're on the beach. There is Mami Rhea. Okay, let's walk. It's closed, Mami Rhea? Oh, too bad. O somewhere else na lang.
Yeah.
Let's eat somewhere else. Hey! Ano, full belly?
Yeah.
Ha? Did you have fun eating? Delicious food?
It is.
Nice, ha? Again, folks, 2023 Honda ADV 160. A scooter. Scoot, scoot. Put, put. Scoot, scoot. Scooter is fun too. Right, Mami Rhea?
Yeah.
The face looks so mean. Ang angas ng muka. Ang tapang. Para siyang ano, Batmobile ni Batman. The front or the face of the scooter looks like Batman's Batmobile. Malaki siya tignan. Hindi siya mukhang maliit na scooter. Mukha siyang ano maxi scooter. Malaki. Malaki, macho at brusko tignan. Like I said, mukha siyang maxi scooter. Baby maxi scooter. Matte black. Yun nga. You need to press the left lever brake and then press or push the starter key. Ayan. So for the engine to start again, you need to press and hold the brake lever or lever. Lever or lever. Okay, tigain natin. upuan naman. Oops. Yan. Yun. Ayun. Maluwag, maluwag. Maluwag yung compartment niya under the seat. Maluwag. Ito yung cover para sa gasolina niya. Ayun, bumukas na. Ayan. Ayos. Ayan. Ah. Ikot nga tayo sa parking lot.
Wow.
Lapit ka. Super gaang. Parang laruan eh. Para ako nagra-ride ng bisikleta. Yung bisikletang dipedal. Sa sobrang gaang. Para akong nakalaruan. O isang ikot pa. Napakagaang. Ayan, umaambon na. Umaambon na. Park ko siya dito. Okay, ganito siya pagka naka-kickstand. Siyempre, nakaslant siya. Nakaslant to the left. Ayan, hindi naman siya higang-higa. Hindi siya masyadong slant na slant towards left. Tama lang.
Dapat na yan kung sumobra man.
Ayan, nakaslant siya. So maganda talaga pag may center stand, ano? Kasi madaling i-park. Tapos kung mag-oil change ka o kung may kailangan kang kalikutin o gawin, madali kasi naka-center stand ka. So madaling itayo yung bike at mas madali siyang kumpunihin. Madali siyang kalikutin kung naka-center stand. Umaambon na. Let's go na. Malayo pa biyahe natin.
Let's go.
Maglo-loop tayo no? Loop, akyat sa canyons, akyat sa mga bundok, and then go down, and then go home na sa Manila. So, ilang oras na biyahe pa to? Isang papoging ikot pa ulit sa parking lot. Papogi lang, papogi. Japorms lang. Lock ba siya? Pogi ba, pogi? In English, do I look handsome on this scooter? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ang laki ng turning radius. The turning radius is so wide. And as you can see, it doesn't hit my leg. So okay, so alright. Yung windshield nga pala, guys, the windshield. See?
Whoa.
You can put it down, you can put it up.
Wow.
See?
So easy.
As easy as 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's leave the windshield like this. So the windshield can shield us from the wind. Let's leave it as is. Like this. You see my shirt? The Beatles. John, Ringo, Paul, and George. The Beatles. Oh, let's go na.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. One more. You wanna try? Huh?
No.
No? So easy.
Yeah.
This scooter is so light. It's so flickable. You can easily push this scooter. It's so easy to push. It's so easy to pull. See? Because it's so light. You see? Push. Pull. Oh, you try it off the camera. We're not gonna film it. You try it.